Hey friends, come with me to shop at Michael's. I have a $10 voucher. Let's go see what I can spend it on. All right, I'm going to show you the fall paper pads and then 2 paper pads I have found that are double-sided. So this one is oak and thistle, and I showed this during my Halloween haul. And I was hoping more fall paper pads would come out, and they have. That one's an okay one. I really like this one. This one's called Fig Jam. I love these purpley eggplant, purple and pink colors. That one's really cute. I really like that one. The next one is called Misty Leaves. Lots of blues. And I have some blue fall themed paper in my stash from a couple years ago, and I never ended up using all of it. So it's interesting to see it come back. I'm not sure if this one is fall. It's called Stargazer, but it is a 2026 one. They always like to do these celestial themes with each release. They must sell a lot of them. This one is called Vintage Classroom, and I really like this one. I might have to get this one. For my little golden book journals. Really cute. This next one is called Dark Berry Rose. It's interesting. I think maybe for some Cinderella or fairy journals or princess journals, this might work. Not sure about that one. So we have another blue one called Indigo Florals. They had this with the fall, but I am thinking maybe this isn't a fall one. You all tell me. Next up is Desert Sage. This one is kind of muted, dusty roses and light sage colors, which I do like sage. This it's pretty. I don't think I'll get it, but it's really pretty. It would work well with my Dollar Tree junk journal. What do y'all think? Here is Harvest Botanica. I feel like I might like this one. Really pretty. Anything botanical I like. That one's pretty. I like the foil one. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, that's very cool. And then we have Sepia Myths. Another really pretty, kind of like pinks and light mauves and golden. I really like this one a lot. I'd be tempted to get this one. And per usual, there's 2 pages per design. I like that a lot. And that one. Yeah, that one's really pretty. And then I found 2 of the double-sided ones. I think there are 3, but I'm not 100% sure. And this doesn't have a name, but it's kind of like a tea themed, but it's double-sided, which, you know, we don't really see that here at Michael's. But I think I'll get this one for my book lover journals that I like to make for my craft fairs. I think this might look cute in that. And then the other double-sided one is this, another celestial themed one. I mean, this could work for Halloween. All kinds of different fantasy and Dungeons and Dragons and all of those. So those are the ones that I found that were new here at Michael's. And there is this Fall Solids one that I didn't show you. And it is double-sided, which is nice. Let me know what your favorite fall paper pad was, or paper pads if there's more than one. And I just ended up getting this double-sided one here. And I ended up getting it for $6.35. So not too bad. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.